have set our internal target date. I don't necessarily want to tell that date because some people might consider it to mean that election is close to that date. But we have an internal preparation date and we are well on the way. And it's certainly our date is before the end of this year.
We are read from Nationwide. EOJ to train electoral day workers by year end. Posted by Tana Thomas, 23rd of October 2023. Director of Election at the Electoral Office of Jamaica, EOJ, Gospel Brown, says he has set a timeline to have election day workers trained before the end of the year. So, my people, if you hear a man set a timeline, you know, say, you can draw the conclusion and say, well, something is in the making, you know. Your timeline set there. So, what you think? Timeline set? Something in the making, man. Talk truth. An indication of the EOJ internal training timeline comes as Jamaicans continue to speculate if the local government election will be called this year. People hear that. Read from Nationwide, you know. You will listen where Gospel Brown officer.
We have set our internal target date. I don't necessarily want to tell that date because some people might consider it to mean that election is close to that date. But we have an internal preparation date and we are well on the way. And it's certainly our date is before the end of this year.
So you hear that, people? The man have a date and a timeline. Yeah? So we don't have to speculate. Early next year, people. Let me continue. The local poll are due no later than February of next year. See, people, we did right. Mr. Brown says they are aiming to recruit and train up to 30,000 Jamaicans, you know. So, people, these are definitely an indication that the man them are tighten up them screws and them nuts. You understand? And I prepare for next year. Let me hear what Mr. Brown have to say.
Going very good so far. We need about close to 20,000 persons to work as presiding officers, spoke clerks, supervisors, reserve, etc. We are close to that figure. We still have a few space that is still available. And maybe use this opportunity to say to persons who want to be a part of the process, they can still apply. And the process is clearly simple. Just go to our constituency office and fill out the necessary application form. In terms of the others, in terms of what we call one-day policemen and the other support service, we are on our way in terms of getting our numbers. Remember, we need close to 30,000 persons to assist us in the process on election day.
So, people, when you hear that, the big man has spoken. Mr. Brown, you understand? And I'm going to tell you, I'm going to need close to 30,000 people. So, my viewers and subscribers, the man them, I get ready. If you don't notice, some look at activity take time I go on round, you know. You understand? You understand, people? If you notice the two cousins them are warm up the engine. Well, one did I warm up the engine long time, and the next one look like him just ready to crank up the car. You understand? So, my people, me there and me a look upon the electoral office and the preparation what they're making for take part in the election, a local government election that come up now. Yeah. And you know, say the law still give the Prime Minister the right to call all general anytime. So, when I pull up the comment section and make me know when I think was this little go through the electoral system, the preparation, how it look, if it look ready enough, if it look like the normal process. If you don't see any little itch and any glitch, just pull up the comment section and make me know But I'm here and I'm giving you an update on what taking place with the EOJ and the readiness for the local government election.